So welcome to lesson 2 of your video creation class. Now, the last lesson we've showed you how to add texts, how to add images, and also how to add scenes to your video, and also how to add effects. So today we're going to in this lesson we're going to show you how to add a sound to it and sound effects. So you just go directly to music and notice that you have record here. You have three options, that is record, effects, and tracks. But we will not be able to use record because right now we are recording with a recorder, so we'll not be able to use record. If we go to record, it is going to say that we are not going to be able to use it because we are using another app to record. But if you go to effects, we can use some customized effects here. You can see there are options, but all the options, you need your connection in order to use them. So we already downloaded some effects before, and that is one of these. It is very loud, but we're going to go to volume. You go to volume while it is selected. Reduce the volume so that it doesn't disturb. So that's it. We have our effect, our sound effect. So now we're going to add tracks, and that is the music or sounds. So you can notice that the app also have some sounds here that you can use, but you need your connection. But you can use your own musics as well. So we already have some songs here, some sounds here that we're going to use, and so you can notice that it is very loud, but I'm sorry about that. Now you go to the end of the scene, you can see that the music is very long. It has passed the limit. So what you need to do now is just split it, and when you split, the other part of the music will be selected, and you just click delete, and that is it. The music, you have cut it now. So you see the music is in the same level with the video. So now you can just click the music, and then you go to volume, and then you can fade it out so that the last parts of the music will be going a bit loud, and then you just mark it correct. So now we have our tracks, and we have our sound effects, and we have our effects, we have our images, we have our scenes, and we have everything that we need for this short commercial video, and you can watch it. It's very nice. Wow, amazing. So this is what InShot can do. You can just click correct if you are done, and you just there's one thing that I need to show you though, and that is filter. And you can go to this filter in order to add effects, transition effects, and these effects can be added in between your scenes, but you need InShot Pro to do some of them. You can use only the glitch, but all of the others you need InShot Pro in order to be able to do them. So now our video is done. All we need to do is now to save it. So if you want to choose different sizes of your video, you can come to canvas and you select any frame that you want. So you can see that there are different page sizes, just as I showed you on the graphic design. You have different page sizes here. This is YouTube, this is TikTok, this is Instagram, and you have a whole lot of page sizes that you want. But right now we don't want them, we don't want any of them, so we're just going to go to that. So that's it. So now we are going to save it. Now if you go to save, you will see different resolution sizes, and these resolution sizes determine the size of your video, how it's going to be like. The longer your video, the longer the size will be. If you have a longer video, it will have a lot of megabytes. So maybe you will not be able to afford all that megabyte, or you'll not be able to share your video because of the megabyte. And if you go to compress the video, it will lose quality. So what you need to do is to always make a video short so that you can have little megabyte. So right now you can see that we have 17.2 megabyte here. If we use this 1080 pixels resolution, but now we're going to go to options and see which other resolution we can use. So we can use this 720 pixel resolution, and now we have 7.7 megabyte. So you can also use the 4K, and that is the most bigger resolution, and it will have 68.5 megabyte. But you can also customize your resolution here as well, but we're not going to do that. We're just going to select the 720p. Sorry. So we have our video, and then we're going to save it like that. That is it. Our video is saved. So now we can go back. So if you want, you can just draft the video so that if you want to edit it, you can come back to it. If you discard it, that means you deleted it. You will not be able to edit it again. So we're going to draft it so that if we come back, we want to do adjustments in it, we can do it. So we are done. So now what you need to do is just go to your Video Panda, the app that I show you that compresses videos, and you get in there. And this app can compress videos. So now your video is here that you already created. You just select it, press next, and then you see options that you can choose in order to select in order to compress. So now you can see that you have different resolutions here, just as the resolutions I show you. So you can customize it as well. But you have fit to email, large file, medium file, small file. So if you use the small file, it will have the lowest resolution, and the megabyte will be very small, but it will lose quality. So we're just going to use the large file, just compress. This one is not going to lose quality, and it is going to compress the video. So right now it's compression, and it is done. So you can see that we have 4.6 megabyte as our original video, but now we have compressed it. It comes up to 0.6. So this is beautiful. So you'll be able to share this, and it will be very very interactive video, and everybody can download it and they can just watch it. So if you use these methods that I have showed you here, and you have a very nice and small business or a big business, you can be able to explain your items or your materials to people in a very short way and a very easy way in a video, and everything will be included. And believe me, trust me, you're going to have it's going to be really effective, and it's going to help you to get a lot of customers. So it's a way to explain your products and services to people in a very easy manner, so people don't have to go to read lots of lots of messages, or lots of long messages about your product. You just have to see what is going on. So it is really something that is easy, and it's great. So take care of yourselves. Thank you for watching this very short lessons, and I hope that it will impact in your lives and in your businesses. Thank you.